Right? A rule of thumb in the investment world is we call it the law of 72. If you ever want to figure out how quickly your money doubles, you take your average rate of return, divide it into 72. So my math wizards, if you could earn an 8% rate of return on your investment would be your 401k, it would be an IRA or a mutual fund. How many times does 8 divide into 72? Who said that? 9. Anyone else? So, law of 72 on the investment side of things tells me that my money will double every 9 years as long as I earn an 8% rate of return. Cool. So if my grandma died and left me $10,000 at age 30 and I invested it, then at age 40, that $10,000 is roughly 20 grand. It's actually a little bit more because it's doubling every 9 years. Okay, well then at 50, my 20 grand it's doubling every 9 years. What if you double 20, what do you get? 40. Okay, but at 50, I'm not ready to retire. The government really says I can't retire until 59 and a half, and then Social Security won't kick in until I'm like 67. Yeah, so anyhow, law of 72 then tells me it'll double one more time before I'm 60. So grandma dying when I'm 30, she left me 10 grand, and I invested it into a safe investment that was earning me roughly 7.2% rate of return. That means it's doubling every 10 years. Then by the time I go to retire, her 10 turned into 80.